Have you ever tried to install Stable Diffusion on your computer, but got scared away by all the terminal wizardry? I'll show you an easy way. Search Stability Matrix. Click on the GitHub page. Click Release. Scroll down a little bit. Download one of these for your operating system. In my case, I have an M1 MacBook Pro. I'll download macOS ARM64. Open the DMG file. Drag Stability Matrix to your application folder and let go. Go to your application folder, find your Stability Matrix, double-click, click Open. Now Stability Matrix is already running on your computer. We need one of the front-end programs to actually use Stable Diffusion. Click here and Packages. I already have these installed, but you should probably click Add Packages and pick one from the list. I personally use ComfyUI. It gives you the most flexibility. Click on that and then install. Once it's installed, you can simply click Launch to start running ComfyUI, or if there's an update, click on that. It'll automatically update your ComfyUI program for you. There's no need to mess with terminals at all. Well, there you have it. Stable Diffusion running in ComfyUI on the MacBook Pro. Have a good one.